हेलो हेलो हेलो, आवाज आ रही है आप लोगों को? I can't hear you. आवाज आ रही है आप लोगों को? Thank you, thank you, thank you. This is so amazing. It's really fantastic. I love you guys. 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 I think I should hand the mic over to Vishal sir, and he should introduce Heather to all these people. So Vishal sir, ladies and gentlemen.
मेरे पास भी अपना माइक था, मेरी आवाज़ भी शायद आप लोगों को आ रही होगी। ये है हमारे हैदर, ये है हमारी ओफिलिया।
What's up, people?
So to place it against the background like that, I think it was pretty phenomenal. Honestly, मैंने भी Hamlet स्कूल में पढ़ी होगी और उसके कुछ versions देखे हैं. Today it feels very boring, but I think Vishal sir's take on it, his adaptation of it, is so contemporary, it's so different, and it's so relevant for all of us. And I really want to say this because, you know, I was doing some interviews yesterday, and some of the journalists asked me, they said, you know, Shahid, you're doing a film like this, do you think the audience will understand it? And I just said one thing. No, I really want to share this with you guys. I said one thing, I said, I don't know about the audience, but I know the youth is ready for something new. And I'm tired of seeing the same stuff over and over again. So this is our attempt to give you something different, and we really hope that you like it.
Intensely bubbly. I would like to be intensely bubbly.
How can you be intensely bubbly? Show us. We all want to see this.
Okay, so there is a sequence in the film in Heather where I'm dancing for Heather and trying to make him smile.
You want to see a dance? I can't hear you guys. You want to see a dance? Who's going to give us music? It's very simple. I had very long hair in Kamine, and Vishal sir used to be very annoyed because to keep making it between shots. And I think at that point, somewhere 5 years back, in fact it was 5 years to Kamine yesterday, so it's awesome that we're here today. Thank you. I think somewhere there he decided कि अगर मैं इसको फिर से cast करूँगा, तो इसके बाल नहीं होंगे. So when we met for Heather, the first thing he said, वो सब तो ठीक है, character वाइटर बाद में discuss करेंगे, but you have to go bald for this film.
Because this was a revenge drama, so I needed revenge. I'm sure all the guys are jealous.
What was that special thing in your role in Hyder that made you actually choose it?
Obviously, in fact, I had been chasing Vishal sir for almost 3 years, saying that, you know, he needs to cast me in a film. Because he's surrounded by too many phenomenal actors. To begin with my father, Irfan Khan, Tabu, KK, and Om Puri, Nasiruddin Shah. The list is endless. So I was very insecure that he'll keep working without me. So I used to keep going and meeting him. And then he finally told me that there was this one role which he thought may be right for me, and that was he wanted to make his third adaptation of Shakespeare, which was Hamlet. And that's how that started. And I told him, sir, regardless of anything, I'm on. And that's when he started writing the film, and everything happened after that.
So me being a newcomer and to get that opportunity कि around me there are such phenomenal actors. Every day I be pinching myself ऐसे कि श्रद्धा realize कि तुम्हें ऐसी opportunity मिली है कि तुम इतने बढ़िया actors के साथ काम कर रहे हो. So it's been an opportunity of a lifetime for me, and I'll always cherish it. Yeah.